Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about debit and credit rules. The golden rules of debit and credit. It is very important for a beginner to understand these rules to have a clear concept about accounting. So let's start before that. If you are new here, then make sure to subscribe so you will never miss out any update. Also, if you are an accounting student or a beginner, then this channel is a perfect place for you. So make sure to follow us. So first rule is debit. What comes in your mind when you hear the word debit? Yes, debit card. Whenever you use your debit card and make a purchase, then money is debited from your account. Here, debit means to decrease. So debit means to decrease and credit means to increase. So, the first rule is assets increase with debit and liabilities, and equity decrease with debit. What I mean by that? Let me give you some real-world example for that. Let's say you have a business and you are purchasing a car for your business on credit. So you will record this transaction in your accounting software. And let's say the amount is $1,000. So here, you will debit the asset account, which is a vehicle because it's an asset for your business. And here, you will credit the liabilities account, which is accounts payable, because you have to pay back this money to the supplier, right? Because you have purchased the car on credit. So here, you will credit accounts payable. Now, if you pay back the supplier, then you will debit accounts payable and credit cash. Let's take another example. You have a business and you are purchasing stationery on credit again. So, you will debit the asset account, which is stationery, and credit liabilities account, which is again accounts payable. The second rule is assets decrease with credit. Liabilities and equity increase with credit. What I mean by that? Let me give you some real-world example. Let's say you have received an invoice for $500 for the work done by a client. So here, you will debit accounts receivable because you have to receive the money from the client. So assets will increase, and here, you will credit revenue because you have earned revenue of $500. Let's say you have provided consulting services of $2,000 to a client. So here you will debit cash because it's an asset, and it will increase here. And you will credit revenue because you have earned revenue of $2,000. Let's say you have returned $3,000 to the client because of some mistake. So here you will debit accounts receivable because it will decrease, and you will credit cash because it will decrease here. And one more thing I want to tell you, that whenever there is a decrease in asset account, then it will either increase your equity or liabilities. In this case, your equity has been decreased because you have returned the client money without even providing any services. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.